Hi everyone, welcome to this video on problem identification and opportunity discovery. In your daily lives, we often face challenges that seem like obstacles, but what if there's problem where actually opportunities in disguise? In this video, we'll explore how to identify problems effective and discover creative opportunities to turn challenge into success. Let's get started.
The heart of innovation: identifying real problems. Entrepreneurs are in the business of solving problems. It's the core of what we do. But finding the right problem to solve, that's where the magic happens. It's not about chasing the latest trends or building something just because you can. True innovation starts with identifying a real pervasive problem that people or businesses face. Think about it. The most successful businesses out there didn't start with a product, they started with a problem. They saw people struggling, frustrated, or underserved. They recognized an inefficiency, a gap in the market, a need that wasn't being met, and they set out to fix it. Take Airbnb, for example. The founders didn't wake up one day and say, "Let's create a platform for people to rent out their spare rooms." Instead, they saw a problem: finding affordable accommodation, especially during big events when hotels were booked solid. They tapped into a pain point that resonated with countless travelers, and boom, $1 billion business was born. The lesson here is simple. Start with the problem. Look around you, observe, listen. What frustrates you? What frustrates others? What keeps people up at night? The answers to these questions hold the seeds of groundbreaking ideas. Unearthing opportunities, market research, and customer insights. So how do you go about uncovering these problems ripe with opportunity? This is where market research and customer insights become your best friends. It's time to put on your detective hat and dig deep into the needs, desires, and pain points of your target audience. Market research isn't about stuffy reports or endless data analysis. It's about understanding the landscape you're playing in. Who are your potential customers? What are their demographics, behaviors, and preferences? What solutions are they already using, and what are the shortcomings of those solutions? But don't stop there. Go beyond the numbers and delve into the why behind the data. Talk to real people. Conduct surveys, run focus groups, or simply have coffee with people in your target market. Ask open-ended questions, listen actively, and pay attention to their pain points, frustrations, and aspirations. Separating the signal from the noise. Prioritizing problems. As you delve deeper, you'll likely uncover a plethora of problems. It's like pulling a thread on a sweater. One problem often unravels into a whole network of interconnected issues. That's great. It means you're on the right track. But now comes the crucial step of prioritization. Not all problems are created equal. Some are minor inconveniences, while others represent significant roadblocks. Your goal is to identify the problems that are 1. Pervasive. How widespread is this problem? Is it something that many people experience? 2. Urgent. How pressing is the need for a solution? Are people actively seeking alternatives? 3. Solvable. Can you realistically create a solution that addresses the root cause of this problem? By focusing on problems that tick these boxes, you're setting yourself up for maximum impact and increasing your chances of building a successful business. Section 4. From problem to solution: building a business around a need. You've identified a problem that's begging to be solved. Now what? This is where the real work begins, transforming that problem into a viable business opportunity. It's time to shift gears from problem identification to solution development. Start by brainstorming potential solutions. Don't censor yourself at this stage. Let the ideas flow freely. Explore different angles, technologies, and approaches. The key is to generate a wide range of possibilities. Once you have a handful of promising ideas, it's time to evaluate their feasibility. Can you build this? Do you have the resources, skills, and expertise? Is the market large enough to support your solution? Conducting thorough market analysis and competitive research at this stage is crucial. Section 5. The iteration game: refining your solution for maximum impact. Remember, building a successful business is not a linear process. It's about constant iteration and refinement. Once you have a minimum viable product, or MVP, it's time to get it into the hands of real users. Gather feedback, analyze user data, and be prepared to pivot, adjust, and improve your solution based on what you learn. The beauty of the lean startup methodology is that it allows you to test your assumptions, validate your hypotheses, and make data-driven decisions. And remember, the market is constantly evolving. New problems will emerge, and existing solutions may become obsolete. That's why it's essential to stay close to your customers, monitor industry trends, and continuously iterate on your product or service. The journey from problem identification to building a thriving business is an exciting and challenging one. It demands empathy, creativity, and a relentless pursuit of delivering value. But by embracing the principles outlined above, you'll be well on your way to making a real